What's up, gang? So today we're going to be wrapping my clapped out M4 in Tinybot Shadow Ghost Camo. Now there is quite a few problem areas as you can see, but I'm going to take you around the car to show you everything that's wrong with it before we start wrapping. Now first and foremost, we have my trunk. Now this has filler in it, then it has primer, and I sprayed over it with some paint. But when I took the old wrap off, it ripped off some of that paint, so we're going to have to sand this area. Now originally when I got this car, I did not know that it was in a collision, so this whole side was repainted, and the paint they used on the side of this vehicle is absolutely trash. But I think that's enough yapping for now. Let's go ahead and get into this install.
Move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I'm being incompetent. Mental health is confidence. Dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day. That's when you can take it. It's topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off on my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top. Taking off in the way I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
All right, gang, so we are back in the lab today. We're gonna be doing this front bumper. I just wanted to slow the video down for a second because when it comes to the front bumper, I always get a lot of people in the comments telling me like, hey man, can you like slow it down with the front bumper? Show us exactly what's going on. So with this install, I'm definitely gonna show you guys what's going on. So just a couple things to note is we're gonna do an inlay here, and then we're gonna do like a small inlay in here. You could do one up in here if you want to. One that's gonna go along this top edge in here. Same thing on the other side. This needs to be an inlay, something in here. You could do something in there also. We're just gonna tape this off because I know how to get full coverage. This bumper is real flexible, so I could pull that forward and do my cuts. And then that's pretty much gonna be it. After we get those inlays, we're gonna go ahead and wrap the rest of the bumper and show you how to make it all connect. So without wasting any more of your time, we could go ahead and get into it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.